Hey y'all, it's Renessa here with R.Designs. I just got in a monthly kit from DEK Designs, so I've already kind of pulled it out of the packaging, but I wanted to quickly show you what you might get in a monthly kit with them, and I'm really excited because I literally have like an hour between projects that I'm working on right now at home working, and so I don't have a whole lot of time to set up my B6 notebook for the month, and so I'm gonna just quickly put you on kind of a time lapse and flip through the month of October and show you kind of how that went, and then also set up my November. This is going to be really quick because I'm going to be using all stickers. The only crafts that I pulled out were this thing that I keep on my craft cart, and it's got some pens and some water brushes that I use pretty regularly. I do color code, so I keep these in here, but that's all I'm going to use today is the kit from DEK Designs and my notebook and some pens. So if you are looking for a quick way to set up a bullet journal for the month and you don't have a lot of time to spend doing artwork, this is a perfect way for you to do that. And I will have everything that I'm using today linked in the description below. So thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy. Bye. Okay, so that is it. I apologize for the delay in getting this uploaded. I know it's already the 2nd of November, but I had company come over in the middle of everything, so I had to get that done. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you next time. Thanks. Please like and subscribe for more.